Morning. Now I'm standing the chill vlog. We are at the end of our stay here, just waiting for the bus to pick us up. Yeah. Where are you guys watching from? This is a Malawi vlog. Do you cook the same like this? I love that they use less cooking fuel. This is the breakfast that we just got. I love most of it. The rest I packed it in their lunch back box. Now is day 3 in Malawi. We are leaving. We are in Salima now. So the whole today we are going to be in Salima. Then we go to the next area. So let me show you my breakfast. Right. We are waiting for our colleague. What do you guys think about this Malawi vlog? Is this the first video you are watching in my Malawi vlog series, or you watch another one? So I'm loving this Malawi vlog, and I gave you everything that you needed to know about Malawi. I'm going to create a documentary, but the documentary will take some time. So for now, just watch these vlogs. We are moving from one town to another town, from one city to another city. Just Malawi like no other. Lot of people as usual today. You see the road. It was in the morning and everyone is just here. Traffic is so much. The cars are a lot. The people are a lot, especially the bicycle. The bicycle here is what people use most, and I'm surprised how they are loading their maize like this. So at least here is outside of the town, and it looks like that. Have you subscribed yet? If you have not, please subscribe and comment on what you think about the road in Malawi, how the road in your country or the place where you are watching from. In Namibia, they are more or less like this, and here. Hold the banana. Let me hold. No, the big one.
The under.
Thank you. Thank you. It's sweet. Yeah. Is it a plantain or?
It's a banana.
Oh.
This is banana country, banana area. Going to work.
You
Turning now. Turning to the left. Fried though. Yeah.
we were almost coming to the end of our stay in Malawi, and we were getting tired. I mean, exhausted, because it was during the day we have to visit farmers. During the night we are traveling to the new town. I love the food though. The food was best, and I also love the experience that we got. We get to experience so much that we are going to implement in Namibia. As you can see here, they don't grow mahangu like us. They grow maize. So we were walking toward to the canal where we are going to appreciate how they do their irrigation system, because they do it differently to the one that we are doing in Namibia. Like here is a water canal. It's where they put the water, and then they irrigate now to different a different plot of land. Like this one is a huge portion of land. As you can see, you can't even see at the end, but you can see the sky was okay. We overpacked. We thought it's going to rain in Malawi, but in all our stay in Malawi, it did not rain. That's why I was wearing those boots, because I thought like, oh, it might be to rain. No, it did not rain. I love the fact that community here is taken as an important thing, and then people work together, and then the farmer field school is really making an impact in people's life in a way. Well, they are producing together, and then they have a plan on what they want to achieve. So guys, do you also have farmer field school in your country? Do you also have a water canal like this? And how do you irrigate your crops in your country? Which type of irrigation system do you use, even in your household or anywhere else? So guys, now we are traveling to the last group of the day today, but you can see this time where we are going, is different from where we are coming from. Now we are just going to a mango plantation. It was donated by the government, and then they also use another type of irrigation system. So follow us as we are going to see how do Malawi people irrigate. You give me a lot of editing to remove that.
That's why I was applying.
I'm giving you a normal face.
I was just telling them I was applying sniff. I was taking a sniff.
I'm giving you a normal face.
Okay,
Like Malawi and dress like them.
And where people will love you. No, I want to take it. Babu.
Yeah, so visitors from Namibia, we just wanted you to appreciate the plants as they look. Over there are the tanks, and here you can see the pipes for irrigation, drip. They said that they had to run away from the canalization to this system to avoid further erosion. If there's no comment from here, then fruiting and the they dug pits, they applied manure into those planting stations. Malawi mangoes, then we gave them 1,600 seeds.
This one is coming, this one is going.
This artist is recording.
Some are behaving childish.
We have come to the end of this vlog for today. Thank you for traveling with me in Malawi. Did you love my breakfast? Do you think you can prepare the same breakfast? I don't know the ingredient that they are using, most of them, but then I love how they prepare potatoes every day, eggs. It's like sausage is very cheap here because every day we are being served sausage. The room here are cheaper. If you want to know about how much room costs, you can comment down below. Guys, please subscribe.
Yeah.